Sometimes we need a better font, but we don't get font in the text panel. Then we need an extra font. Now I'm going to show how to install a font in Photoshop. Here I already download Photoshop font. Select the font if you want to install. Right click and click on the install font. Now we install a font. After install complete, we go to Photoshop. Now we will look for this font. Select all text, then go to the text panel of the top bar. Click on the big nodal title. Then go to the edit menu, click on the transform and increase the text. Now we install Photoshop font. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.